This quote is widely shared, but there is no solid evidence that Einstein said it. Widespread, it sounds poetic and fits the idea of meaningful coincidences. Why it doesn't fit Einstein? He didn't believe in a personal God intervening in a daily events. His God was more like the lawful structure of nature, not something arranging your life events. Uh, what people think it means that there is some divine plan behind everything, including coincidences. What Einstein actually meant, he was criticizing quantum mechanics for being probabilistic. He believed reality must be governed by deeper deterministic laws, even if we don't know them yet. So, for coincidences, he would probably say they only look random because we don't see the full chain of causes. And he pushed back on mystical coincidences. He was saying just because something is surprising or meaningful to us doesn't mean it has a supernatural cause. It likely has a natural explanation we haven't uncovered yet. Einstein did speak about the sense of wonder or cosmic religious feeling, but that wasn't about supernatural intervention. For him, the mystery of the universe was something to explore scientifically, not something to attribute to the fate of destiny. He actually disliked randomness as a fundamental explanation. He did say God does not play dice. He preferred the idea that deeper hidden variables explain what looks random, including coincidences. Also, he thought that human perception exaggerates coincidence. Our brains are wired to notice patterns. When something unlikely happens, like thinking of someone right before they call, it feels meaningful. But statistically, with enough events happening, unlikely overlaps are guaranteed to occur. He thought that universe follows laws, not magic. His work in relativity reflects his belief that everything operates according to discoverable principles. If two events line up in surprising way, it doesn't mean that there is a mystical connection. It just means the chain of causes isn't obvious to us. So the quote suggests that what we call coincidence might actually be part of larger structure or pattern we don't yet understand. I'm not sure if I agree or disagree with him, but it's actually very interesting food of thought. I wonder what you think about this. Comment below if you agree that coincidences doesn't exist and it is just a scientific explanation. Thank you for watching and see you next time.